There isn't a single day that goes by where I don't think about how lucky I am to have you in my life. Honestly, the happiest part of my day is when you come home from work and I see you climbing those stairs, smiling up at me.
It's difficult for the masses to agree on one definition of love. It's both a verb and a noun, an action and a feeling. Some say that love opens the door for what is yet to come. Danika found herself drawn to Robert because he was sweet, serious about his education, and not centered around himself. Robert found himself drawn to Danika's smile and laugh, and says that to this day, the best feeling is the one he gets when he makes her laugh.
You're the best. Yeah, you're the best. Thank you so much.
I want to thank you all for being here to celebrate this wonderful couple as they start their much expected journey in the new Fellowship of the Ring.
This is the bit where we talk about marriage advice. But to be frank, neither of them need that. What these two have is something special.
I'm picking up the pace in case I fall.
You have brought joy, laughter, good food, adventure, peace, and love to my life since the day we met.
And talking me, you know.
I still remember back in freshman year, you wrote me a song for a music therapy assignment.
You look amazing.
And all these streets can see you cry.
I knew from that moment you were someone in my life who was there for me. Someone who was going to go out of their way to make sure I was okay. You have never stopped loving me in this way, and I'm beyond grateful for every day I have with you.
Before we started dating, I used to plan and time my routes between classes so that I had the maximum likelihood of running into you.
You've always seen a wanted one.
If someone were to ask me what my favorite story was, I would probably say Lord of the Rings. But the truth is that my favorite story is our story, an adventure I want to live every day for the rest of my life.
I've seen these dreams.
But as Tolkien once said, the greatest adventure is what lies ahead. And I'm so excited to see where your journey takes you.
She is not my new daughter-in-law. She's my daughter-in-law, and she's been our daughter for the beginning, since the beginning.
I promise to support you, encourage you, and to make sure that you're following your passions. I want to use each day to grow with you and become a better person. I promise to love you for all that you are, all that you've been, and all you will be.
I vow to be a shoulder for you to cry on, but I vow to do my best to cheer you up before those tears ever fall. I vow to always be on your side, because I never win when I'm against you.
Danika, I know you're going to take care of my best friend as if you hadn't been already.
We hope you're always better together. We wish you many shared adventures.
From the
I will spend my lifetime with you, trying to show all of the ways in which I love you.
I promise to make you feel safe and hope that no matter where we are, that together feels like home. Before I become your wife, I want to tell you one more time, I love you.
I love you too.